What David Schwartz just said may be one of the most important signals XRP holders have ever received. Ripple's CTO just did something he has never done before. He gave a realistic time frame for when he believes institutional adoption of XRP will truly begin. And no, it's not years away. It's not sometime in the future. According to him, it's only a few months away. When I first heard it, I had to replay the clip. Because if he's right, and this is coming from the man who helped build the XRP ledger, then everything changes very soon. Now, before we get into exactly what David Schwartz said, let me be very clear. This is not financial advice. But if you've been holding XRP and wondering when the real moment arrives, this might be it. Why the timing matters right now. The global financial system is under pressure. Interest rates are starting to come down, political pressure is increasing, and the Federal Reserve is already laying the groundwork for faster rate cuts. That may sound boring, but it has massive consequences. Many crypto companies, especially stablecoin issuers, rely heavily on high interest rates to survive. They park customer funds into government bonds and live off the yield. When rates drop, that revenue collapses. Now compare that to Ripple. Ripple isn't dependent on interest income. They build infrastructure, institutional payments, liquidity solutions, custody, tokenization, and soon a fully integrated stablecoin designed to work with XRP, not replace it. That's a huge difference. While others struggle, Ripple is positioned to gain market share. Why XRP keeps standing out, you've probably heard the claim that no one cares about XRP. That narrative has been completely dismantled. Long-term social data shows that XRP consistently ranks among the most engaged crypto communities in the world. Not bots, not fake hype, but real people, real discussion, real investors, real belief in utility. That's why XRP continues to dominate polls and attention even during quiet market periods. Smart money doesn't chase hype, it follows functionality. What David Schwartz actually said, this is the most important part. David Schwartz explained that blockchain already works. That's not the challenge anymore. The real challenge is making it so simple and seamless that users don't even know blockchain is involved. No wallets, no private keys, no learning curve, just faster, cheaper, instant settlement. And then he said something shocking. He said that this invisible adoption layer is only months away. Not years, not decades, months. Coming from someone who has spent over a decade building this system, that statement carries weight. It strongly suggests that infrastructure is finished, institutional testing is complete, and the final pieces are already in place. Why Ripple's strategy works? Ripple doesn't chase retail hype. They don't need millions of users downloading apps. They only need a handful of major financial institutions. If just 6 to 10 of the world's largest banks go live with XRP-powered settlement, Ripple instantly reaches billions of people indirectly. That's top-down adoption. Users won't even know XRP is involved. They'll just notice transfers are instant and cheaper. That's how real adoption happens. The domino effect, once the first major institution goes live, everything accelerates. Banks cannot afford to let competitors settle payments faster and cheaper. One integration turns into 5 turns into 20, and suddenly a new global standard is formed. This isn't speculation. This is how financial infrastructure has always evolved, and XRP was built specifically for this role. Fast finality, massive scalability, low predictable fees, regulatory-friendly design. That's why institutions trust it. The bigger picture, this isn't just about payments. Ripple's ecosystem includes cross-border settlement, tokenized assets, central bank digital currencies, stablecoins working alongside XRP. Everything points toward XRP becoming the invisible backbone of global finance. And that's exactly why David Schwartz's statement matters so much. He's not hyping price. He's signaling readiness. Final thoughts. For over a decade, Ripple has been building quietly while the rest of crypto chased trends. Now the conditions are finally aligned. Regulation is clearer, rates are shifting, infrastructure is ready. According to Ripple's CTO, we're months away, not years. When that first domino falls, the system won't go back. XRP won't just be an idea anymore. It will be in use. And those paying attention now will understand why this moment mattered.